Anarkee. So I just got back from work and I was super happy to see that I got, oh Jesus, my box of Dolls Kill stuff. In case you guys aren't looking at my Instagram story all the time, which if you aren't, how dare you. I recently just saw Dolls Kill's new fall collection and kind of went insane because there's a lot of plaid and I have like an actual plaid addiction. So I ordered like a lot of it. In fact, I ordered about $500 worth of stuff total from Dolls Kill. So we're just gonna go ahead and unbox slash try on all of it today. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing I got are these really cute shoes from Current Mood. So I really like them. I was just drawn to how unique they are. I haven't seen a pair of shoes like that in ever. Okay, so first thing is this top, which by the way, I'm gonna put all the prices like right here because I don't remember any of them, but I have them written down. So, but, this top, which is really cute, it has these cool O-rings at the bottom, on the front and the back. I have a lot of long sleeves because I live in California and it's like never cold, but occasionally it'll rain. So this will be good for those days. But yeah, I don't even know really what attracted me to this so much. I love that it had the little finger hand thingies. I love those, but I don't know, just cute shirt. I like it. This is probably the most boring thing I got. Let's move on. Okay, so this is the second top. It's like moto inspired. Look at my top. Don't look at my stomach. I am fat because I ate at Cheesecake Factory yesterday. Anyway, so I super love this top. There was a plaid one too, but I have like 12 plaid items in my closet, and like I got another 3 here. I have too much plaid, so I really tried not to get the plaid one, so I got this one instead, which looks really cute and I really like it. I really like it with these jeans actually. These are like super 90s jeans, like they're super wide leg, like trip jeans, and I love them. I really like this. I think it is cute. It fits pretty well. It's really comfy too. Usually I have a problem with Dolls Kill with my boobs not fitting into things, but this for once actually worked well. Yeah, I like this a lot. Okay, next thing. Okay, so this is the next one. It's a set. I don't know if you can tell because I'm short, but it's a top and a skirt. It's just not. I really like this. I actually totally bought it with the plan of wearing a shirt underneath it because this is kind of a lot. But I really like it because it has a lace in the back, like lace up. So I could adjust it. Like it was tied up all the way and I was like, oh, the top's not gonna fit me. But then I just released the lace a bit and now it's fine. So that's kind of cool. The skirt fits well too. Just so you guys are wondering, I usually get a medium and everything's from Dolls Kill, except bottoms sometimes, depending on what they are. Since this is so tight and doesn't have a lot of like give, I got a large, so it's a little bit too big, but I would prefer it too big than too small. So this is a large and then this is a medium. So yeah, I really like this. Like I said, I'm probably gonna wear like a sheer top underneath it, because that's a lot of cleavage. But yeah, I really like this and I cannot wait to wear it out. It's actually super cute. So yeah, next thing. Okay, so next is this Tim Burton top, which I love. It says a film by Tim Burton. Dolls Kill has a lot of these a film by or a book by tops. I think it started with Quentin Tarantino and then they just expanded. I love Tim Burton shit because I'm an emo. So yeah, I needed this. It's just a plain tank top. I mean, I don't really know what else to say about it. Moving on. Okay, so next is this super cute plaid dress, which, okay, so I love Dolls Kill, but my God, they don't know how boobs work sometimes. Like, this is a medium, and it fits me perfectly everywhere. Like, it perfectly skims my curves and the rest of my body, except just my boobs are just smashed in here. Like completely smashed in here. And I've actually seen some girls, like when they have something like this where it's a zipper, unzip it and then just wear it like an anime character, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't wanna get demonetized. I love this dress. I'm just gonna deal with it. The fact that this is a thing now, I don't really like having cleavage. So I'm just gonna climb on my couch so you can get a better look at the dress. See, it's cute. Cute. It has like straps. Anyway, next item. Last piece of clothing. What? Can you tell I need sleep? Because I really need sleep. Anyway, this is the last piece of clothing. It's just this shirt dress, which again, I'm gonna climb up here so you can see the bottom. It's just this shirt dress from Motel. What I liked about it it's buttons in the front, but then like is across in the back. So I feel like you could switch it around and wear it the other way too. I'm not going to because I'm super tired and want to be done with this video already because this was a lot of clothes. Oh, I'm not done. There's more. This is this. I've got it mostly because of the cruise I'm going to be going on soon. And I think it would be really nice as a swim cover up for this. I really like it. It has sun and moons on it. It's very flowy, it's very comfy. Yeah, moving on. Okay, so just to wrap up, the last few things I got were beauty related. So I got these teardrop stickers for makeup. They're like holographic, and I'm probably gonna use them in an Instagram look soon. So keep an eye out for that. I also got these star and moon ones, and also this bit of glitter from the Gypsy Shrine, which is like holographic stars. So these are all just gonna be for makeup looks, and you'll probably see them soon. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my Dolls Kill haul. I love my stuff. Obviously, there are a couple issues I have, mostly with my boobs fitting in things. But for the most part, I loved it all like I usually do. I freaking love Dolls Kill, and just so you guys know, these aren't sponsored videos. They don't pay me to do this. They don't even send me free stuff. I just love them. I genuinely love Dolls Kill. Like, it is one of my favorite websites to buy clothes. Like, if you're on my Instagram, you know that if I have something on, unless it's a different brand that's been tagged, I probably got it from Dolls Kill, and I probably just didn't tag them because I tag them all the time. They probably hate me at this point. With that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys want to see, if you want me to do more hauls, and if so, from what stores. Let me know what's going on. I'm probably not going to do another Dolls Kill haul for a while because my wallet hates me right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.